Today we're going to be making this very simple hair scrunchie. And for this, I am working with the Lion brand yarns Re-Up Recycled Cotton and Polyester Blend. And this is a size 4 medium weight yarn, and the color is Surf Spray. And we're also going to be using a size G or 6 or 4 1/4 of a millimeter crochet hook. And I am going to be working with some small hair ties, and we're going to begin by attaching the yarn to our crochet hook using a slip knot. And what we're going to do is place single crochet stitches inside of our hair tie. So to do that, hold on to your tail and then insert your crochet hook in the loop of your hair tie. Then you're going to yarn over and pull up through your hair tie, and then yarn over and drop your 2 loops for a single crochet. From here you can release your tail and just continue to place your single crochet stitches. And it doesn't matter how many single crochets you end up with at the end of the row, as long as it sufficiently covers your hair tie without stretching it. So I ended up with 28 single crochets around my hair tie. From here, we're going to insert our crochet hook in our first single crochet and place a slip stitch. So if you would like to work over your tail, just line it up with your stitches and crochet over it like it is your stitch. From here, working in our next stitch in the back loop only, we're going to place 5 single crochets. And all we're going to do is just place 5 single crochets in the back loop only of each stitch in our row, going all the way around. And after working in your last stitch, your scrunchie should look something like this. So to finish this off, all we're going to do is place 1 slip stitch in the top of our first single crochet from this row, and then we're going to cut and tie off our yarn. And I am going to hide my tail in these loops near my hair tie. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day. And as always, if you experienced any issues while you were making this, leave me a comment down below and I'm happy to try to help.